Today, I want to remind you of something powerful. God will bless you without stopping. People may stop supporting you. Doors may close. Opportunities may disappear. But God's hand does not withdraw. When human help ends, divine help begins. Some blessings come quietly. Peace in your heart, strength to keep going, wisdom to choose right. Other blessings come suddenly. Open doors, unexpected favor, restoration you never imagined. God is not limited by time. God is not limited by economy. God is not limited by people's opinions. When He decides to bless you, no one can block it. Some of you waited long for answers. You prayed, you believed, you stayed faithful, and heaven recorded every tear. What God is about to do in your life will prove that waiting was not in vain. You will not lack direction. You will not lack protection. You will not lack provision. God is aligning people, resources, and opportunities to lift you into the season He promised. Do not think the delay means denial. If God spoke it, He will complete it. He is preparing blessings that match your obedience. When others run dry, you will overflow. When others struggle, you will stand firm. When others fall, you will rise stronger. Because God's blessing is working in your life right now, even if you cannot see it yet. Hold on. Stay faithful. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. If you believe this, say Amen. Like the video, share it, and subscribe. God bless you. Shalom.